Maharashtra Navniraman Sena will contest Vidhan Sabha elections independently. Raj Thackeray-led party will go solo in Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha elections. MNS leader Bala Nandagaonkar has said that the party will now focus on assembly elections and said that the party will contest elections independently. Let's in fact listen into what he said.
पूरे महाराष्ट्र से हमारे जो ऑफिस बेयरर है पदाधिकारी वो आए थे और उनको सामने संबोधित किया और संबोधित करके उन्होंने बता दिया कि मैंने जो गुड़ी पाड़वा के शिवतीर्थ के रैली में आपको कहा था कि विधानसभा की तैयारी में आप लग जाओ, उसी तरह से आदेश उनको दिए गए हैं कि आप लोग विधानसभा की तैयारी करो और उस तरह से पूरे कार्यकर्ता भी अब अपने मतदार संघ में जाके विधानसभा की तैयारी करेंगे.
Okay, so of course, viewers, there you heard it. Meanwhile, my colleague Prathamesh is with us on the broadcast. Prathamesh, if you could take our viewers through the latest developments that are coming in at this point of time.
Today Maharashtra Navniraman Sena Raj Thackeray took a meeting in Mumbai and he has taken all the party leaders. In that meeting, now the Lok Sabha elections are over and now we need to focus on the Vidhan Sabha election. So for that, now we need to focus on Vidhan Sabha election. In that, Bala Nandagaonkar, while talking to press, he said that we are contesting Vidhan Sabha election in Maharashtra. Will be independently will be contesting the election. As in the Lok Sabha election, MNS Maharashtra Navniraman Sena had given all the support to the BJP and tried to make the PM Narendra Modi as a PM again for the third time. And now in that statement, he has said that now the PM Narendra Modi has become already a PM. So now in the MNA or in the Vidhan Sabha elections, which will be held in around September. In that, MNS will be contesting independently and will contest the election of Maharashtra independently. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.